Patrick Jameson, and in this video I want to show you how to measure inside and outside corner meet doors. I'm going to describe the differences between outside and inside corner meets, as well as how to measure bypass and pocket door configurations. The way our frame is set up, if this is the inside of the home and that's the outside, this would be an outside corner meet because the frame is actually pointed to the outside. Remember, we view everything outside looking in. So outside looking in, this would be the left side, and this would be the right side of the door. Right now, this frame is set up as a bypass. So this side, the left side is a bypass, and this side, the right side is a bypass. All panels stack to the outside, and they work their way towards the inside as you get closer to the jambs. When measuring this outside corner meet bypass, I'm going to measure from the frame jamb to the farthest point of my frame. I'm going to follow the same process. Since this side is a bypass, I'm going to measure from the frame jamb to the farthest point of my frame. If this door had a pocket door on this side and the substrate was right here where my P-hook attaches to the substrate, I'm going to measure this pocket door from the P-hook to the farthest point. It doesn't matter if it's pocket bypass or bypass pocket, you still measure from the P-hook to the farthest point. The primary side is the side that houses the locking mechanism. So you could have the dual mortise lock in this panel that locks into this panel. This would be your primary left. Or if this side had the locking mechanism and it locked into this panel, then this would be a primary right. Always remember, corner door call sizes will vary because of the corner offset. Use the overall manufactured assembly size from the sales order acknowledgement for proper track lengths and finished openings. Now let's flip it. This is the inside of the home, and here's the outside of the home. We now have an inside corner meet. You can tell it's an inside because it points to the inside of the home. Even on an inside corner meet, your doors are going to stack to the outside of the track, and then they're going to stack towards the inside the further you go out to the jambs. With inside corner meet doors, you are still going to measure bypass configurations from the frame jamb to the farthest point of the track, which this would be the most interior side of the door. Pocket door configurations are going to follow the same process where you're going to measure where the P-hook is at to the farthest point of the track. Remember, we always view everything outside looking in. With this being an inside corner meet, this is going to be the left side, this is going to be the right side. The primary side is the side that houses the locking mechanism. To recap, I'm now showing you the differences between an outside corner meet door versus an inside corner meet door, as well as how to measure for bypass and pocket door configurations. I'm Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.